Hey guys, this is your weekly innovation insight. MasterCard-backed carbon tracking app Doconomy has raised $17 million in a funding round led by Commerce Ventures. Billed as the largest climate fintech investment round in Europe, this brings the total invested in Doconomy since the start of 2018 to $24 million. Doconomy currently processes close to 90 million transaction impact calculations per month in 20 markets. The firm also scored a major contract with Standard Chartered in June and provides the technology behind the carbon calculator for bank apps developed by MasterCard. The Doconomy application uses the Aligned Index to provide financial transactions with carbon footprint calculations for every transaction. Next, Cardano aims to be a legitimate option in global governance. Cardano's ecosystem is working on projects from voting to payments and even ways to run the currencies of nation-states, according to founder of the Cardano blockchain. The founder further states that you could run a nation-state on this type of infrastructure, not today, but in 3 to 5 years, definitely possible. Cardano, which launched in 2017, recently added smart contract capabilities and has projects including the development of a blockchain-based digital identity system for students and teachers in Ethiopia. Its ADA token is the third biggest cryptocurrency after Bitcoin and Ether, after gaining more than 2,800% in the past year. Lastly, according to a new research report from the Financial Times, focused banks across Asia-Pacific are lagging behind the rest of the world when it comes to digitization. The research report, which surveyed 500 senior banking executives from around the world, also identified that the risk of failing to transform digitally is well understood, with 2 in 3 banks believing they will lose market share in just 2 years if they don't speed up the transformation strategies. Here are some key findings from the report. 1/3 of APAC banks are concerned that their legacy platforms are holding them back. 3 in 5 APAC banks believe they will cease to exist in 5 to 10 years unless they change their business models. Here's something for you to think about. As per the report, more than 80% of banking leaders strongly agreed that replacing outdated mindsets with a progressive social purpose was vital to growth strategy. How are you upgrading yourself to a Genesis mindset? In summary, carbon calculated economy raises $17 million. Cardano aims to be a legitimate option in global governance. According to a new research report, APAC banks are lagging behind on digital transformation. Thank you for watching. This was brought to you by Leadapreneur.